Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Space Cricket in South Florida. Space Cricket got you ready to go, bud. Our tuning alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, clarifier modded wideband SRA 198 mic. Let's get right to it. I'm gonna start with your RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. About 20-25 watts all the way down in case you decide to run a real big hammer one day. You got full adjustability. 125 all the way up just in case you need to throw a big dead maul. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 200 bird average. 500 watts slug and peak. Hello 1-2 audio. 500 in the corner. Got down. Alright, Space Cricket. We're going to ease this down your way, along with some RG213. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.